Hey, good evening all. Got some new gear, bit of blink to put on the bike. And what I've done here is just literally take everything apart, separate it all out. We'll have a little look at what it is. And then I'm going to quickly show you how to install on the bike. Fairly straightforward, no bullshit, just take a couple of minutes. A few extra parts not needed as well. Let's move them to the side and take out the main components. Now, removing the old handguard. Loosen one, loosen two, and then loosen another. You'll have to actually take out some of the bolts to get it off. An FYI for anyone with an 800GS, the instructions of this are actually wrong, and do what feels the obvious thing to do. Handlebar, spacer or bar end weight that they provide, then the bone of the frame itself, and then your 70mm bolt. If you do it the way they recommend, it's not going to sit right and you're going to waste your time, have to take it back off. So if you do as I've done, it'll save you time and hassle in the long run. Tighten it up, not too tight, just enough to hold it in place. And when you've that done, get your handguard. For me personally, I'm going to fit the wind deflector on it as well. You've got your handguard, you've got a couple of height settings in the back, you got your wind deflector. Line it up where you want it. Personally going to just get the best exposure we can. We live in Ireland, weather's generally shit all year round. You get a couple of little bolts and they're very simple, you just thread them in, nothing magic to it. Once they go in, gently hand tighten. And that's it, done. Some people prefer not to ride with them. If you're in a warmer climate, you're going to want some air gone into your gloves. But it's rare we get weather that good over here. I wouldn't over tighten them, just that they're being plastic, they'll just rip through. You've got that done. Manual says to put it on. Personally, I'm not gonna. I want to wait till it's bolted on first. Take the rest of the bracket, loosen up. It's a solid piece of kit, I gotta say. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, what's the betting my GPS is gonna be in the way, huh? Let's hope not. We might get away with it. Again, we might not. Let's try to get a hand tight again. That is ridiculously tight. Might have to move the whole brake itself just over a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe not. It looks good. seems okay. Let's get the hand deflector on and then have a look and see. Fairly straightforward. 2 holes at the front, 2 screws through the hole into the frame. There you go, job done.